Hey guys, today we're taking a look at Mathemize. This is a free application by the guys at Mathemize that aims to make a gamification to that of math, making education much more fun and interesting. Taking a subject like math, which is can be difficult for a lot of people, whatever age you may be, and adding on a spin to it, making it fun and easier to learn in a really clean interface here. So it has various levels, and for example, like levels 1 through 10 are optimized for like grades 3 through 6, ages up to 10, and so on and so forth. So it has these levels that are really optimized for younger kids and older people trying to enhance their math skills. If you're trying to sharpen your math skills, practice your math outside of school, this is a really great app for that. So you can see here is free application. You can choose to remove ads by paying in it through in-app purchase. You can adjust the sound here on the main menu before just jump in and play. You can see here they have level selection all the way up to level 30, so there's a ton of them. You can see here starting out on level 1 here, you have a very basic set of questions here that you can see, and then you can see here's the ad I was mentioning about. And if you want to remove these ads, then you have to go through an in-app purchase system. Alright, so here we are in the game. You can see level 1 at the top, and you have question 1, and you have your score and your time ranking at the bottom. Basically, you have to find out what plus what equals 11. So in this case, you can say like something like 8 plus 3, so you can find 3 would equal 11. So you have to find anything that can solve the question by using the numbers given to you at hand. So for example, number 9, well, 1 plus, let's see here, 8 would give me 9, and you can see there, game over, as you are timed. So it's a little bit about speed, and that speed gives you an advantage because it makes you think faster, it makes you think on your feet, and that helps you overall. So in this case, what plus what will give you 3, and you can see here, again, the ad. So if you want to remove those, that's definitely something you want to go through in-app purchasing to remove. At later levels, you're going to get more advanced stuff. So for example, this is division, so this is level 10, so you're going to get things like what divided by what would give you 2. So this is where you start have to, kind of moving with bigger numbers. So what divided by, again, what would give you 2. So for a case like 4 divided by 2 would give you 2, and so on and so forth. So you're going to go through stuff like the basics, starting out the basics of addition, moving on to subtraction, multiplication, division, all those sort of things. So it's a really great way to sharpen your math skills by giving you different puzzles and kind of problem sets to go through, but at the same time timing you. That timer at the bottom keeps you on the edge, keeps you going. You can pause here in the top right if you need to see your score, and resume, play, or restart altogether. 30 levels to play through. Again, a really easy interface, really great way to go through, and definitely something I would recommend if there's anything. It's updated for the iPhone 5, really slick interface. I think if you really want to play through it, it's definitely worth removing the ads, because the one con, the ads don't have an exit button as far as I'm concerned, so it can be tedious if you're playing the game and you run into those. So that's something definitely to look into. Again, this is Mathemize. You can find it in the App Store for free today.